Hello, in this video I'm going to walk you through what you need to do with the Unsupported Attachments report we'll send to you once your site has been migrated to the new template. This is an example of what that report will look like. It's called the Unsupported Attachments report, and the next line gives you the name of the site. So I'm using the Provost site here, so it's site : and then the name of the site, which is Provost-redesign. This -redesign is just going to be a fix to the name of any site that's been migrated. And what you're interested in is right here, Faculty Professional Enhancement Program. And then following that is the path or the location on your site where this block is located, which row it's attached to, and then some information about that attachment. So this will all make sense once we look at it live. And you can see here there are 1, 2, 3 blocks that need to be fixed. So we'll head over to the Provo site and take a look. So here we are at the Provost site on Cascade. I just need to go back and remind myself exactly where this is. It's faculty/faculty development office. So that is, let's see, faculty development office. And then Prof Deb FPEP. So we'll see Prof Dev FPEP, and I think it was the default page. Let's look. FPEP default. Okay, right. So this is the page we're looking for right here. And we'll open it up. And there should be an accordion block here, but you can see nothing is displaying. So we need to go in and fix that. So I will click Edit. I'll expand to full screen so we can see what's going on. And I believe it was in the first row. So if you go down here, if you look in the column, this is where the content is. You can see there's some paragraph text there. I'll collapse that, and I'll look, and there's another column with some links and some headings. So we'll collapse that. And what we're interested in is right here, row options. Okay, so here's the block. It's FPEP accordion tabs. There's an accordion here, but it's not displaying because it's attached here, which is an attachment point that no longer works. So we've given a bit of a hint here where it says non-working below content block. So what we have to do is create a new row and attach this block to that row. So first thing is going to do is just remember what this is called. So FPEP accordion tabs. Okay, I need to delete this so that the next time we run the report, this won't show up again. So we know this has been fixed. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to minimize this, and I just need to add a new row, which I will do right here. You click on the green plus icon. That adds a new empty row, which should be 2 of 3, because it was 1 of 2. Now it's 2 of 3. So every row needs a label, and I'll need to add labels to these other rows. But for right now, I'll just say accordion block. Now we change the content type to row block, since we're adding a row block there. And then we're going to now choose the block. So I just click choose block, and that'll open up here. I need to go into the Provost page, and there we go. FPEP accordion tabs. Select that, click choose, and there we go. Now I can try to save this by submitting, and I'm going to get an error because, let's see, this row doesn't have a label. This is new to the new template in Cascade. So this label, it won't appear on your website, your end users. This is only for you to see and kind of help sort of navigate what's in all of your rows. So I'm just going to put a general placeholder here called content. And I think there's probably one more that needs it. Yeah, here we go. And we can tell because there's a little red dot in the corner here that gives you the heads up that there's something missing that needs to be filled in. So I'm just going to say content again. Minimize these and see if there's any other issues going on before I submit. And no, it looks good. Let's try to submit that again. Okay, we'll just give this a second to render. And we should see, there we go. There's our accordions. So this is the first row, all of this. This is the heading, which isn't in the row. And so from the Faculty Development Committee all the way down to the provost phone number, that's all the first row, and there were 2 columns here, if you remember. The next row starts here, and these are the accordion blocks, so they just have some extra information they want to display. And then there was a 3rd row, which is now below all that. So there you go. That's how you fix these issues. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you. Bye.